A blast from the past.
My man.
A blast from the past. I gotta say, bud, how you been, man? I haven't seen you so long.
Good.
You looking good. Yo, you never look like you're Asian. You look always the same.
I get younger. I'm at the point where I get younger now.
Yeah, man. What's the secret? What's the secret sauce?
Mediterranean diet, my friend.
Oh, okay. I thought it was Viagra, if you asked me.
No, I don't need that yet.
Oh, shit, this guy's ready.
What's going on with you?
I can't complain. You know, man, busy at work. I'm not gonna lie to you. I had a hard 2025.
That means it's going to be an easy 26.
But this 2026 started good, and I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to seeing my family like you. I haven't seen you in a long, man.
It's been a year.
Smile on my face to see you here.
It's always good to see you.
Oh, hermano, compadre. Come on down. Come over here. Listen, we got a family reunion here.
We should have a little reunion at the end.
I think it's a great idea. I heard Mike is throwing a pool party at his house. He just, listen, you didn't hear it from
My
me.
house?
Not your house. Oh, hey, your house? Oh, yeah, your house.
Not here.
Big Mike, if you're watching, we go to your house for a pool party.
I'm in.
That's it, we're in. Now you're in?
Let's go.
That's it, 3. And tell everybody about you, tell about yourself, because I can't even tell you these people. These are my family. I let my friends speak for them because I want to speak for them. Tell everybody who you are. Tell the world who you are.
Mike Sakaris, recently joined Ariston. I have responsibility for water heaters, and it's going great.
That's all that matters. And tell everybody what you do, baby. Tell everybody.
I'm an HVAC and hydronic installer. I work
One of
for
the best.
Oh, thank you guys.
One
very
of the
much.
best.
Oh,
The
that's
best.
Thank
One
you very
of the
much.
best.
Honestly, it's great to be here with everybody. It is a family, just like you said.
Nah, bro, I love that. I never thought I was gonna have a brother that, like, you know, had a ginger hair. I never thought I'd have an uncle that has gray hair. Like, I never thought I was gonna have these uncles and cousins and tios. I'm like, damn. Like, do we look alike? I think we look alike. Yeah, look. Yeah, we look alike. No, it means a lot to me to see you guys here. And you guys always put a smile on my face. So, see what you're doing? I love it.
He is the happiest man in the industry.
Oh, man, I just try. But you know what? It wouldn't be a good place if it wasn't with you guys. Because with you guys, what makes it so much better. So, for me, that means a lot.
It's always a good time with Louie laughing.
Oh, no.
It's good times.
You guys got to come to New York. When you coming to New York?
Whenever we got time.
I go to New York regularly. I will look you up.
Oh, no, because you got to come to New York, man. I got to give you the Louie the Boilerman experience, the HVAC Papi experience.
Well, let's set it
Can
up.
we do a job
Let's set
site?
up.
I want to go do a job site. Right
Oh, man. So we're going to have some company over this year? You coming over this year? You coming?
I'm in.
Let's do it.
That's
Set
it.
it up.
That's it. We put it on film. They're coming. Coming to Long Island, New York, baby. Stay tuned. Wepa!
Wepa for the HVAC Papi, Luis Medina.
It's Louie the Boiler Man, and I am your Boiler Man. Wepa.
Welcome, mi gente. Welcome.
I'm the Boiler Man. That's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, call New York Boiler and I'll be there for you. I wanna heat you. I wanna please you. I wanna fix that boiler all for you. Man, that's what I am. And I'm here to fix whatever I can. If you're getting cold and you're feeling blue, oh, I'm the boiler man. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. New York Boiler en general va a poner tu casa a enfriar cuando hace calor afuera. El aire no vas a parar. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Fuego, fuego, llama New York Caldero. Oh, I'm the boiler man. Louie.
Small.
I love you.